Hey, and welcome to this video where we're going to do some examples of solving systems of equations. In this video, we're going to do two examples of solving by using the graphing method. Now, the graphing method works out great if you have a good clean graph. Maybe you're kind of using like a Desmos or GeoGebra graph to help you see what's going on. And also just kind of makes the work fairly straightforward and easy. So let's start off with number one. Number one is perhaps the straightforward, easy version of this because we have y equals y equals. Both of these are already in slope-intercept form. That's fantastic. So the top one, I'm going to go and I'm going to put a point at -6. And then I'm going to go up 3 over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have my second point right there. And now I'm going to get my ruler out, straight edge. I'm going to do my best to line this up here. So wish me luck. It's easier said than done. All right, cool. I think that looks about right. Move it like that, a little more. Getting there, getting there. Okay, very good. So now I'm gonna draw a line that goes through those points. And there we go. I've graphed this first one right here. Now I'll do the other one in another color. -2x plus 5. So I'll start with 5 on the y-axis. Then I'm going to go down 2 over 1. So that's where my other point would be, and my other point right there. When you're graphing, especially on paper, you could always just kind of map out the points, and that might help you with it if your lines aren't perfectly straight. It'll help you visualize kind of where you're going with it. But anyways, I'm going to try to match it up again. So let's get it lined up. Try to get them to go through all those points. That's why I always stress that you graph multiple points there. All right, and there we go. And so it's not precise, but I think that's because I'm a little bit off on my graphing. If I follow with the points, I should have a point here and a point there. And so my answer for this one is definitely right here. And so the answer is going to be, what is that? 4, -3. There we go. And that's the beauty of the graphing method, is it shows us what the solution is. Okay, so now let me clean up my board. And let's do the second problem. All right, so this one we'll do in blue. Let's go pencil, blue here. All right, and then we'll do the other one in green. Now, the first one is slope-intercept form, so fairly straightforward. +2 on the y-intercept. Oops, +2. Oh, come on, work with me. All right, +2 on the y-intercept, and then down 1 over 4. 1, 2, 3. There we go, 4. All right, get my ruler, try to line that up through those points. All right, and then draw a nice little line like that. Cool. All right, let me move the ruler out of, actually get rid of the ruler. And now in the green, I'm gonna graph this one. Now here, it's non-slope-intercept form. So what I'm gonna do is use my intercept method where I go x, y, 0, 0. When I let x equals 0, that disappears. And so I'm looking at the equation 4y equals -12. As a result, y is going to be -3. When I let y be 0 here, that disappears. And I have 6x equals -12, meaning x has to be -2. So I go to -2 on the x-axis, -3 on the y-axis. Let's see. There we go. Okay, and -3 right there. Get my ruler. Match it up, so right about there. Cool. Boom. There we go. And here I can very clearly see my solution right there. And that would be -4, +3. Cool, I didn't realize that these problems were so closely related. That's kind of cool though. But again, that's the graphing thing. You graph the lines, you see where they intersect, and that is your solution. So I hope that this video has been helpful for understanding how to solve systems by using graphing. Good luck on any other problems you'll be doing today.